Wow, there we go, you're getting heavier. Right, so you wanted to open this with Daddy, didn't you? What was you singing a minute ago? Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Right, so first of all, hello everyone. This is a bit of a different intro, different video. So yeah, as you can see, this is from Veteran Metals. I'm gonna have to make sure that he's happy for me to, hang on one second. I'm gonna have to make sure that he's happy for me to show his PO box. If not, I'll be blurring that. But I want to say a massive thank you. Now this came through the door today. It came through the door, didn't it, today?
Yes, Dad come in the door. Did they come in the door?
Did it come through the letterbox, did it? Pop it back in and hang on then. Pop it out. Let me Daddy just finish talking, then we'll open it. Okay, so this came through the door today, and my daughter was at home with Mrs. 365, and as soon as she saw this, hang on, don't do that because that will fall over. And as soon as my daughter saw this, apparently she went crazy because you got the rainbow duck on the back. The envelope itself is rainbow colours. And apparently she grabbed the envelope.
And your public wife.
Yeah.
I put it. Then they kind of rainbow duck.
Rainbow duck, yeah. And you wanted to wait and open it with Daddy, didn't you?
Yes, and oh, rainbow duck. Come.
Pop it on the table then. Put it on the table. There we go. Okay, so basically my daughter insisted that she unboxes with me. So that's why we're in a different setup. No. Don't keep moving that. That's the tripod. You're going to knock it over. You got to leave it. So basically my daughter insisted that we unbox this together because she wanted to do it. So that's why we're here. I don't know how much of that intro you've heard. Right.
I don't know how.
Okay, hang on. Right, so should we cut it open? Yeah, so remember, look, hang on, let's turn it around so you can see through there too. Look, see, look in here. See there?
Yeah.
Yeah, see what, hang on, watch. All rainbows there, look. Yeah, so leave it there.
I can't do.
You can look through the camera, because it has to be there, look. See it through there? Okay, so sit back on my lap, look, sit there. Right, so you watch him. Yeah, so watch through the screen. Yeah, can you see? Yeah. That's it.
TV.
Careful, right, watching. So Daddy's going to use the sharp scissors.
Hello.
Are they sharp? I'm going to cut along the edge here.
Wow. Very cool.
That is very cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think we have inside?
Well, I think.
You can take it out. What? Hang on a minute then. Right, so look, watch. So hang on, we'll look through the camera. So use this hand to go through. That's a good girl. Well done. What's in there? Is it stuck on? Oh, hang on then. Hang on. Can you see through the screen?
Yeah.
So we're going to cut down here too.
Wow.
Hang on, careful. Wow, look at that. Look at the colours on there. Wow. Keep it in the screen. Keep it there.
Yeah, it's there.
Look, watch. What's inside? Wow, hang on, careful. You got it?
Coin.
Wow, it does. It's like a huge coin, doesn't it?
Well,
But remember to put it underneath there. There you go. Well done.
Two.
Two. Well done.
Two.
Good girl.
The ridiculous.
Yep.
And the ridiculous on here.
Clever girl.
Big dollar.
That's it. Right. Okay. So look through the camera there. So this is a really cool sticker, isn't it? Really cool sticker. Should we see what else is in here? So what else have we got?
Baby.
What else have we got in here? Right, so that, oh look, this is, so we've got the 2 stickers, and we've got something else here, look.
What is it?
I think this might be a letter. See if we can... Careful, 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 careful. Very, very careful, careful, careful. Look, now you've damaged it, look. Wow, look at that.
I tried it.
Wow.
Yeah,
Right, okay, careful. Right, okay, right. So do you want to sit on Daddy's lap while I read it, or do you want to get back down? You want to get back down? Right, okay, so... Right. Right, there we go. Look, you can have that. Go and show your brother that. Good girl. Okay, right, so... Veteran Metals. First of all, I want to say, again, a massive, massive thank you for sending me your stickers out. Really, really appreciate it. Like I said, if you heard my intro, my daughter saw the envelope. She absolutely loved it. She loved the rainbow duck. And she insisted that we opened it together. So that's why the setup today is a little bit unprofessional, a little bit more raw. Do you want one of those? So first of all, let's have a proper look at these stickers, because these look absolutely incredible. Yeah, it's a rainbow, isn't it? Do you want the rainbow duck? There we go. Go and show your brother the rainbow duck. So first of all, I want to say these stickers look absolutely incredible. I know you designed these yourself. So a massive achievement designing stickers like this yourself. They look absolutely incredible. I would love to see this on an actual coin. That would look amazing. Metal or die. I know that's your catchphrase. Thank you very much for those. Right, okay, so the letter says, Dear 365 Days of Silver, greetings from Veteran Metals. I'm reaching out to thank you for your tremendous support and inspiration you provide to the precious metals community through your YouTube channel. As a small token of my appreciation, I'm including a complimentary Veteran Metals sticker with this letter. It's a symbol of our shared enthusiasm for precious metals and the strong community we're building together. I'm excited to share that in a few years, I plan to tour the UK with my son. We're looking forward to exploring the rich history and culture, and it would be fantastic to meet with you. Imagine the adventures of exploring local coin shops and exchanging stories and insights into our shared passion. Now, I think you're going to be a little bit disappointed, Veteran Metals, when you come to the UK, because we really don't have coin shops like you do over there in the US. There are very, very few and far between. We have a few in London, but as a kind of rule of thumb, we don't really have many coin shops. It's more kind of antique shops with a kind of small selection of coins within the antique shops. So yeah, don't get your hopes up too much, mate, about the coin shop side of things. But yeah, definitely in the future we can arrange to meet up and film a video. It goes on to say, thank you once again for your inspiring work and support. The connection we have through our channel and interest is something I deeply value. Looking forward to the prospects of our paths crossing in England. Warm regards, Veteran Metals. Wow, what a very, very cool letter. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Veteran Metals. For those of you that haven't seen Veteran Metals, he's a fairly new YouTube stacking channel, but he's grown very, very quickly. I've seen many videos of him going to coin shops with his daughter and interviewing the coin shop owner, and he's done lives within the coin shop as well, and really, really cool, interesting channel. So please do head over and subscribe to him if you're not already. I'm a little bit all over the place today because I'm trying to film a mail call whilst looking after the children and trying to get them involved, because like I said, my daughter really wanted to help unbox this with me. But yeah, thank you very much for the kind letter, mate. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much for the stickers. And when you head to England, when you've got a date set in stone, definitely reach out and we'll see what we can sort out. As always, thanks very much to everyone that's watched today's video. I hope you've all enjoyed it. Hope you found it interesting. Like I said, a little bit different in today's setup. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.